All right, sorry for the late start. I was really trying to set up and having a little troubles here, but I think everything should be fine. Right now, you should be able to see me at your end. You should be able to see my screen and hear my voice loud and clear. All right, we have determined not to be wasting much of your time analyzing all 29 currency pairs. We will only go straight to those pairs that we have potential trading opportunities and look at them. If we have anything interesting, of course, we will also let you know whenever the screen is down. Okay. All right, tomorrow is going to be a hot day, especially for the American dollar crosses. So let's just quickly look into the Forex Factory economical calendar to see those high impact news events that we are expecting for tomorrow. Okay, the NFP is of course tomorrow, so you want to be careful with all American dollar crosses. So we have plenty of a news announcement here for tomorrow, despite the Oldie Bank holiday coming from Japan. We have all of this heavyweight news announcement lined up for tomorrow, and as you can see, majority of them will be pumped into the market at once. Right there, the Canadian dollar and the American dollar. All right, so tomorrow we'll be looking to trade the NFP, looking into all Canadian dollar crosses and all American dollar crosses by tomorrow. Okay, I am liking the schedule hour 1:30. That is a nice schedule hour to look for trading opportunities. I am really liking that. So tomorrow might be a good day for us. Okay, let's go back to the chart and see those interesting pairs that we are following right now. Of course, we will not be trading any American dollar pair, but let's just look at a few pairs here. Okay, because generally price is really in a mix, so we are not going to be wasting time looking at those pairs that don't have anything to offer. For instance, the euro against the American dollar, as you can see here in the 1 hour time frame, price has remained flat for the entire week. If you count the number of days here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for the entire week. In fact, from Friday last week, this is the whole of this week. See what price has been doing here. This is, in fact, didn't present any trading opportunity for us for the whole week. You cannot really trade in this type of a market condition where you don't know where price is heading to. There is no directional bias, so you can't really trade there. Okay, all right, so it is only the NFP tomorrow that will tell us where this pair is heading to, either to the upside or to the downside in continuation of this original push. So by tomorrow we will know which direction this pair is heading to. For now, the key levels of support and resistance in the 1 hour time frame, it's even difficult to draw. You might want to keep this area. It is even difficult to keep that. All right, you might also want to keep this one here. The high itself, it's an area price has been finding this difficult to break. That's an area right there. It has been messed up around here, so it is difficult to also keep that line. Want to delete that, or at best you might even want to draw something like this. It is quite difficult to just draw levels of support and resistance when price is not moving toward any direction. You might want to keep this, maybe that small channel. All right, you can see how price is just changing patterns along the line. Initially we had what do we have? We had that double top formation, if you can remember, which was a flat top, a triangle. Okay, hope you remember that. It got broken right here. Price went flat again. That was another pattern with that top and this low. That was the second pattern that came to an end right here, and right now we are seeing this other pattern Can you see that? Resistance there, resistance, support, support. So three types of patterns so far that we have seen that the American dollar is forming ahead of the NFP. Okay, so in this type of market condition, it is quite difficult to trade the market. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. I am not really comfortable with this one here right now. Anyway, there was no serious push to the downside before the formation of this pattern, so it's not reliable. But at any rate, the NFP will be telling us which direction it wants to take to. We are also going to keep this level. Let's see that in the daily time frame. That level has become problematic to price. We will keep that level, although we are not seeing any continuation formation. In order to place an order, we are not seeing any continuation formation. Okay, this level that has been acting as support and now giving price a tough time as resistance. Like I said, we are not seeing any continuation formation right here. There is no continuation formation, so we are not sure which direction price wants to take to. It is only the NFP by tomorrow that will give us a clear hint of which direction price will be heading to. So for now, price is still sitting below that level of support. There is no hint yet, so no trades in this pair. Okay, enough of that. Let's look into some other pairs. There is actually one we are following for today. Let's see that quickly.